Have you ever wondered why Python is often called the language of artificial intelligence? It's not just a coincidence or a trend. Python's simplicity, readability, and robust ecosystem of libraries make it the go-to language for developers and researchers in the AI field. Its versatility and ease of use are unmatched. Whether you're interested in machine learning, deep learning, or other AI subdomains, Python provides the tools and flexibility you need to bring your ideas to life. Its extensive libraries and frameworks are a game changer. Let's dive into why Python is essential for anyone looking to master AI. From beginners to experts, Python caters to all levels of expertise. Python's clean syntax allows you to focus on the logic of your AI algorithms rather than getting bogged down in complex code. This clarity is invaluable. This readability not only makes it easier to learn, but also simplifies collaboration and code maintenance, which are crucial in the fast-paced world of AI development. Python truly stands out in the AI landscape. One of Python's biggest strengths lies in its simplicity and readability. Unlike some programming languages with complex syntax, Python reads almost like natural language. This makes it incredibly beginner-friendly, allowing aspiring AI enthusiasts to grasp the fundamentals quickly and efficiently. For instance, let's compare how Python and C++ would print hello world to the console print hello world. Include using namespace std int main, scout hello world, endl, return 0, so. As you can see, the Python code is much more concise and intuitive, requiring fewer lines of code and less technical overhead. This ease of use allows developers to focus on the AI concepts and algorithms rather than getting lost in the intricacies of the language itself. Python's strength in AI is amplified by its extensive collection of libraries and frameworks specifically designed for artificial intelligence tasks. These tools have revolutionized the way developers approach AI projects. These libraries provide pre-built functions and modules, saving you countless hours of coding from scratch. They allow developers to focus more on innovation and less on repetitive coding tasks. TensorFlow, developed by Google, is a powerful library for numerical computation and large-scale machine learning. It supports a wide range of tasks, from simple data flow graphs to complex neural networks. It's widely used for deep learning applications such as image recognition and natural language processing. TensorFlow's versatility makes it a favorite among AI researchers and developers. PyTorch, developed by Facebook's AI Research Lab, is another popular deep learning library known for its flexibility and ease of use in research and production environments. Its dynamic computation graph is particularly appreciated by researchers. Scikit-learn is a versatile machine learning library that provides tools for data preprocessing, model training, evaluation, and more, making it suitable for various machine learning tasks. Its simplicity and efficiency make it a go-to for many data scientists. Keras acts as a user-friendly interface for TensorFlow and Theano, simplifying the process of building and training neural networks. It allows for quick prototyping and experimentation. These libraries, along with many others, form a powerful toolkit for AI developers, enabling them to build sophisticated AI systems efficiently. The combination of these tools accelerates the development process and enhances the capabilities of AI applications. Behind Python's success is a large and active community of developers, researchers, and enthusiasts. This vibrant community contributes to a wealth of resources, tutorials, documentation, and support forums, making it easier for anyone to learn and excel in Python. Whether you're facing a coding challenge, seeking advice on best practices, or looking for inspiration for your next AI project, the Python community is always there to help. The collaborative spirit of this community ensures that you're never alone on your Python and AI journey. Section 5, Getting Started with Python for AI. Embarking on your Python for AI journey is easier than you might think. Begin by installing Python on your computer. The official Python website provides installers for various operating systems, making the process straightforward. Once installed, you can start exploring Python's basic syntax. Familiarize yourself with data types, variables, operators, control flow statements like if, else, and loops and functions. Online platforms like Codecademy, Coursera, and edX offer interactive Python courses suitable for beginners. These platforms provide a structured learning path with hands-on exercises to reinforce your understanding. Section 6, Exploring AI-specific libraries in Python. Once you have a good grasp of Python fundamentals, you can dive into AI-specific libraries. Start with libraries like Scikit-learn for general machine learning tasks. Explore its various algorithms, including linear regression, logistic regression, decision trees, and support vector machines. As you progress, delve into deep learning libraries like TensorFlow or PyTorch. Numerous online resources, tutorials, and documentation are available to guide you through the intricacies of these libraries. Focus on understanding the concepts of neural networks, layers, activation functions, and backpropagation, which form the foundation of deep learning. Section 7, The importance of consistent practice. Consistency is key when learning any new skill, and programming is no exception. Dedicate time each day to code, even if it's just for an hour. The more you code, the more comfortable you'll become with the syntax, concepts, and problem-solving approaches. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. They're an integral part of the learning process. Embrace challenges as opportunities to deepen your understanding. Break down complex problems into smaller, manageable chunks. This approach not only makes the problem less daunting, but also helps you identify areas where you need to focus your learning. Section 8, From Projects to Mastery, Putting Knowledge into Action. While tutorials and online courses provide a solid foundation, there's no substitute for real-world experience. Start working on small AI projects that interest you. This could be anything from building a simple spam classifier to creating a handwritten digit recognition system. Working on projects allows you to apply your knowledge, solidify your understanding, and gain practical skills. As you complete projects, share your work with the Python community. Teaching others is an excellent way to reinforce your learning and gain valuable feedback from more experienced developers. Section 9, Advanced Techniques for Python Mastery. As you become proficient in Python, explore advanced techniques to further enhance your skills. delve into data structures and algorithms, which are fundamental to efficient programming. Master object-oriented programming concepts to write modular, reusable code. Explore data visualization libraries like Matplotlib and Seaborn to represent data insights effectively. Learn to use pre-trained models and transfer learning to leverage existing knowledge for your AI tasks. These advanced skills will equip you to tackle more complex AI challenges. Section 10, engaging with the Python community for growth. The Python community offers numerous opportunities for growth and learning. Participate in online coding challenges and hackathons to test your skills and learn from others. Contribute to open source projects to gain experience in collaborative coding and software development best practices. Attend Python conferences and meetups to connect with fellow enthusiasts. Learn from experts and stay updated on the latest trends in the field. Engaging with the community exposes you to diverse perspectives, broadens your knowledge base, and keeps you motivated on your Python journey. Section 11, resources for your Python and AI journey. Numerous resources are available to support your Python and AI learning journey, whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner. Websites like RealPython and Towards Data Science offer in-depth articles, tutorials, and guides on various Python and AI topics, helping you stay updated with the latest trends and techniques. Online learning platforms like Coursera, edX, and Udacity provide comprehensive courses and specializations in AI, machine learning, and deep learning using Python, often taught by industry experts and university professors. Consider pursuing certifications to validate your skills and enhance your career prospects, as they can be a testament to your dedication and expertise. Remember, learning Python and mastering AI is a journey of continuous growth, and these resources can serve as valuable companions along the way, providing support and guidance. What are you waiting for? Embrace the power of Python and embark on your exciting journey into the world of artificial intelligence. The possibilities are endless.